Do you want to know how to make a workbook, planner or worksheet in Canva that your subscribers or customers can actually type in right on their computer? Canva and PDFescape have both changed a lot since my last tutorial, so in this video I'll show you the updated step-by-step process to create a fillable PDF that looks great and is easy for people to use. So let's open up Canva and make a worksheet together. Click Create, go to More and select the worksheet size. Depending on your location it will show US letter or A4, so I'm going to open A4, but either one works just as well. Let's start with the heading. Next I'll add a single line text field, so let's add a spot for the date. And to add the field I will use a rectangular shape. Now I'll add a text field that needs more space and add another rectangle box for the answer. Don't create multiple lines for people to type on, just use a single box. It's a lot easier for anyone filling it out on a computer. Now for a checklist I'll add the question. And then I'll add a list with the little box next to each item. Then I'll just copy and paste this. I'll group them together, copy and paste. Just use the same square shape for each, copy and paste and keep them lined up. Now let's also add a link to a resource. Select the text you want to link, click this little link icon and add the URL that you want to link to. And click Done. If you have a PDF with multiple pages and you want to link to another page inside the PDF, maybe for a table of contents, you can do that too. So first I will add a page so that I have another page to link to. Again, select the text, click the link icon, and you can see Canva shows you the pages in this document, and you can select the page you want to link to right here. If you don't want to start from scratch, you can buy one of my ebook and workbook templates to get started quickly. They are available in several different styles and come in both US letter as well as A4 size. Once your worksheet or workbook is ready, click Share, then Download and choose PDF Standard. This keeps your links clickable. Click Download and save it somewhere you can easily find it again. Then go to pdfescape.com, click Free Online and upload your PDF. Now we'll add the fillable fields. Click Form field and for the date let's use the text field. Move your mouse to the top left corner of the field, click and drag to the bottom right corner of the field. We also want to add a text field for the big box. If you make a mistake, you can simply go to Edit, select the box and use the corners to resize the box. You can also delete it by clicking this trash icon. Now to make this multi-line, click on the little wrench tool and make it a multi-line box. That way people can type as much as they want. For each habit, use the checkbox tool to add a checkbox on each square. When you're finished, click the download button to save your fillable PDF. Then open your PDF and try it out. Type in the date, add a longer end to your text box and tick a few of the checkboxes. Click your link to make sure that it works. If you spot anything that needs fixing, just go back into PDFescape to edit. You can share it as an opt-in freebie, add it to the product or add it to one of your courses. Fillable PDFs work best for resources that people can keep to themselves. If you need to collect the information, I recommend using an online form instead. If you want to use it as an opt-in freebie, I have step-by-step videos on setting it up with MailerLite and Kit. Just click one of these two videos here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you want more tips and tutorials to help you create and launch your digital products and programs without the design and tech overwhelm, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it to be notified when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.